To my first video on YouTube. Today I'll be showing one of my projects on Scratch and how you can make it. If you accept this challenge to make the coding, which means the project, it's a game, so you have to make the game. If you do accept it, comment down challenge accepted, and if you complete it, challenge completed. So let's jump in. So first you need to go to the site called scratch.mit.edu for the online editor. For the offline editor, you need to go to scratch.mit.edu/download. You will be taken to this page and you can download it here. If you have Windows, you can download it from Microsoft Store, and or you can direct download the same for Mac, Chrome, and Android. I already have the online and have an account in it, so I'll just do it in this. For doing it online, you need an account. I already have one and have signed in. So when you come to the site and you did not sign in, you will see a tab called sign in, and when you click on that, you will need to sign in if you have an account. If you don't have one, you can click on join scratch which will be about here. So I'm already signed in. I can't show you that. We'll just jump in. My account name is scratch123 lead underscore lead, and these are the projects which I did. This is one of my other videos which will be coming in another channel. So this is a project which I am going to tell you about and show you how I made it. So this is the coding of a ball in this. I'll just show you how it works. I'm going to play this and show you. So when you hit it, a sound comes like you're hitting a tennis racket with a ball. And if you leave it, the screen appears and the highest score will appear here and your score will appear here. I'm going to restart this and you can do the same thing as you were doing before. But there's one catch in this. If you uh, hit the ball with the black part of the tennis racket, you're out. So it has to, yeah. It doesn't touch it because I did not code like that. I coded in another way, which I'll be showing. This is the racket's code, and this is an opponent, the other racket which shoots, and this is the pause screen. I'll just show you. So if you're playing and you hit pause, this button becomes small and become big, and the screen will appear. You cannot see the racket clearly, but then you can see the tennis ball clearly. And I'll be giving the link for this project in the description, but don't copy it, please. Just try to do it on your own. And now I'm going to unpause it. It'll resume like before. So I'll show you how I did it. This sprite is the restart button, which we have to code separately. And I'll just rename this. So this is the coding of this. When flag clicked, when flag click hide, when I receive game over, which is when the game over screen comes, and when the game over screen comes, this will be shown. When the sprite is clicked, it will become small and become big. like a button effect, and then it'll broadcast restart. So when it receives restart, it'll hide and forever. If backdrop number 2, then show variable score. This is another for the variable. And the pause screen is not that complicated, but it is complicated. So when flag clicked, it'll if the status is not playing, then it'll appear. And I had to code this separately because after the game over thing slide comes, it just stops. I don't know why. So I had to code when I received restart, which was really easy because I just copied this and pasted it here. And this is another variable thing, so never mind. This is the opponent's code. So when I receive start, if game status equal to playing, then show else hide. And when flag clicked, show forever go to ball set white 152. That's how it moves. So it doesn't glide, but it just goes to the position where the ball is moving. So when I receive game over, it'll hide, and when it receives restart, it'll show. That's how it works. So this is the longest coding I have in the whole project. Much more than this. This has just 2, 3 totally scripts, but this has more than 10, I guess. I'll show you from the first. So the first one, when I receive, this is the script of pause. I'll tell tell you how to make the pause button in the next video. So I'm not going to explain these two. And if you are accepting this challenge, no need to make the pause. You may not know how to. So for the pause button, I had to do one more thing, which is repeat until not game status equal to playing. You'll understand this when I am explaining the pause button in the next video. And when I receive start forever, it's the same. This is WSD controls, and there's even arrow key controls, which is right over here. And this is the pause button script again, so no worry. And this is a switching costume. You may have noticed because when I click left, it goes to left. The costume changes like it's going to left. And when I click right, it changes to right. That this coding is so easy, even anyone who started scratch can do it. And this is another for even for this we need to code it separately for when I receive restart. I don't know why, but each and everything I had to do like that, and that's why this took so much. And even this hide and show. So yeah, this is the rackets coding, and the ball is the last one. I'll just explain one of these because this is the same thing except that it's after it restarts. Uh, so when green flag clicked, it'll set end score to 0, which is this, and hide variable end score again this only. So the score thing is this, and the set score to 0 also is this. So it'll show go to random position, and it sets y to 151. That's why it only is here. It won't come here and then come down. So after it goes to random position and sets y to 151, it'll repeat until the game status is not playing. If change y by -10 forever. So it'll just keep coming down. If position of y is less than -140, like over here or somewhere, it'll just go to the game over. I couldn't code it like for the black thing alone, because that no one can do, because the black thing is connected to the racket, which is another picture, and I couldn't code it like that. Or else we had to make another sprite for this itself, which I did not want to do. It was too much time consuming, and so yeah, I only did for this. And if it is touching the racket, it'll again change score by 1, and then go to random position over here, set y to 151. I just play it one more time. So there's another coding in this. I don't know where it is. Yeah, it should be here. The costumes. So you can see this high score. You might be wondering why it is. So if you get the high score, uh, it will show, and it will show itself and switch costume to high score. So I'll just try to do it. I'll try to get the high score. The current high score is 73. So I couldn't get it. Anyone who gets the high score and got the high score thing over here, please comment down. So I think that's it for this video. And thanks for watching, and consider subscribing me and following me in Scratch. I'll give my username link in the link description. And bye.